Ever wondered how car insurance deductibles work? Well, you're in the right place to find out. A deductible is the amount you, as a policyholder, agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage steps in. It's like a financial commitment you make to share in the risk of potential losses. There are various aspects to consider when it comes to car insurance deductibles. They come in different types, such as fixed or percentage-based, and the amount you choose can dramatically affect your premiums. It's also important to understand how they apply during the claims process and how they differ for various coverage types like collision or comprehensive. Selecting the right deductible involves evaluating your financial situation, personal risk tolerance, and long-term financial planning. And remember, deductible policies can vary from one insurance provider to another. Understanding your deductible is a crucial step towards making informed decisions about your car insurance. Now let's delve into the different types of deductibles and how to choose the right deductible amount. There are primarily two types of deductibles you'll encounter in auto insurance policies: fixed deductibles and percentage-based deductibles. A fixed deductible is a set amount you'll pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. On the other hand, a percentage-based deductible is calculated as a percentage of the value of your vehicle. Choosing the right deductible amount is a balance between what you can afford to pay out of pocket and the premium you're willing to pay. The higher the deductible, the lower your premium tends to be. But keep in mind, if an accident happens, a high deductible means more money out of your pocket before insurance coverage steps in. So, while a high deductible can lower your premium, it's important to ensure it's an amount you can comfortably afford. Remember, the deductible amount you choose can significantly impact your premium costs. So, how does your deductible impact your premiums and insurance coverage? Let's break it down. The deductible and insurance premiums share an inverse relationship. In simple terms, a higher deductible usually means lower premiums. Why? Well, because you're shouldering more of the financial risk up front. Conversely, a lower deductible might result in higher premiums, as the insurance company assumes a larger portion of the risk. Now, different coverage types can have different deductibles. For example, collision and comprehensive coverages often have separate deductibles. During the claims process, your deductible applies first. It's the amount you'll pay before your insurance coverage kicks in to cover the rest. Remember, each insurance claim is unique, and the application of your deductible may vary based on your specific coverage and the nature of the claim. So it's always wise to understand your policy and discuss with your insurer if needed. Balancing deductible and premium costs is key to getting the most out of your car insurance. Choosing the right deductible is not a decision to take lightly. But don't worry, we're here to help. When you're selecting a deductible, consider factors like your financial stability, risk tolerance, and the value of your vehicle. The higher the deductible, the lower your premium tends to be. However, you should be confident that you can afford to pay this amount in the event of a claim. It's also a good idea to compare different deductible options. Look at the long-term costs and benefits. Will paying a higher premium now save you money in the long run? Or would you rather save on premiums and risk a higher out-of-pocket expense if there's a claim? Finally, remember that circumstances change. The deductible that makes sense for you today might not be the best choice tomorrow. Regularly reassess your deductible choice to ensure it still fits your needs and budget. Remember, the right deductible for you depends on your financial situation and risk tolerance. We've covered a lot of ground today, but it's all crucial to understanding car insurance deductibles. We started with defining what a deductible is and how it affects your insurance coverage. Remember, it's the sum you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance steps in. We then explored the types of deductibles, namely fixed and percentage-based. We also discussed the importance of choosing an appropriate deductible amount, keeping in mind that it directly influences your premiums. Next, we dove into the relationship between deductibles and insurance premiums and the strategies to balance the two. We also talked about how deductibles differ across various coverage types and their role during the claims process. Finally, we addressed the factors influencing deductible choice, the process of comparing different options, and the need for reassessing your choices as circumstances change. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you better understand car insurance deductibles and how to make informed decisions about your coverage.